Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Sorry I wasn't here sorry I didn't make a video sooner because my aunt made us do it outside. You want to hear a story? So when I was 5 years old, my cousin wasn't even born yet, Micah. So I was holding on to my mom while we were at the doctor's office because I didn't like going to the doctor's. You know that. But she took me anyway. Don't worry about this. So we were at my aunt's, and we're at my aunt's still. So I was asking why, and she said, "Oh, it's just family emergency." I was like, "Huh." So I was like, "It's probably just grown-up stuff like usual." So that day, the sky turned pitch black like this. Yep. Like this, pitch black. And my mom started freaking out, so we ran home, like this fast. Because our house was right here. And my aunt's house was right here. So we ran, Micah! So we ran there. And then we got locked in our basement by my grandma because there was a tornado coming. Like, I was like 6 at the time. Then the tornado got stronger because we were in Joplin. My cat didn't make it. My mom. But we were fine. Like usual. So the sky cleared up. And then my mom said, "Is anything destroyed?" to my grandma, Debbie. So she said, "Yeah." We went outside the house from Joplin, which we live in Hansville now. So, because that time was most dangerous to my mom. Micah! So when we moved the ball over, the sky was the same color. Mom went into her new house basements, and we ran home. The house was like this far away. She turned these ways, but there was no way. We stayed in that car, and the glass broke, so I got